Alright, so I'm going to show you an exercise that is going to get your endurance up, and it's also going to generate power. If you're into combat sports and you want to generate more power in your punch, this exercise will help you generate that. Alright, so let's get to it.
Okay, in today's video, we're going to dive into a powerful leg strengthening exercise that not only builds endurance, but also enhances your punching power. This technique involves maintaining a squatting position to intensify the burn in your thighs, similar to the leverage strategy used by the legendary boxer Mike Tyson against taller opponents. The principle is simple. By training at a lower height, you develop the ability to generate explosive power when you return to your normal stance. This method has significantly increased my son's punching power as we focused on harnessing strength from the legs, improving balance, and boosting overall endurance. Let's break down the exercise. 1. Start in the squatting position. Instead of standing up, remain low to maintain muscle tension. 2. While squatting, engage in a series of punches. We incorporate pad work where my son punches while squatting, then briefly stands to kick, adding a dynamic element to the workout. 3. Introduce variations by performing squats simultaneously with punches to maximize endurance. 4. We also practice a drill involving hooks at different heights. Start with the right and left hooks in the squat position, rise slightly for another set of hooks, and then fully stand for the final sequence. This multi-level approach challenges the body to adapt and grow stronger. Even for me, as I hold the pads, I've noticed a marked improvement in the strength and power of my legs. Give this exercise a try and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Peace.